Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. This is Princess Belle, and today I am showing y'all how to make a virtual vision board. This is an iPhone tutorial, and the apps that I use to complete this are iPHONE and Pinterest. Hey y'all, so the first thing we're going to do when we open the app iPHONE is click the camera at the bottom, and we're going to click plain images. When the images pop up, you're going to click the white image, you're going to use the little button on the right hand corner at the top and click use, and then once you click use, the white screen will pop up on the little black grid screen in iPHONE. And then after that, you're going to click the little three lines that are at the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and you are going to choose add images, and you're going to start putting in the images from your camera roll that you want to have on your vision board. I uploaded, I think, between 15 and 25 pictures on my vision board. Like I said, you can do whatever you want to do on your own vision board. This is not what I use on my own personal vision board. My personal vision board, I use probably about 25 to 30 pictures on there, but you can use however many that you want because this is about what goals you want to smash and what goals you want to accomplish. Okay, so now that we've added all of our images from our camera roll, this is the most tedious but my favorite part, rearranging and customizing your vision board. For me, I am a fiend for aesthetics. I love when things flow together and I love when things are seamless. And so I took my time on this part, and I advise that you do the same because this is your vision board and this is a basic manifestation of what you want to accomplish this year. And if you take the time and really put in the work to make sure that it looks really good and it's something that you'll always look back on and be proud of, you will smash your goals and you'll really be dedicated to taking the time to actually work toward your goals because you work so hard to make this beautiful piece of content that honestly beholds your future if you're going to work hard for it. And so one tip that I will give that I kind of feel like is an extra element of pizzazz for your vision board, so to speak, is that I made the pictures that were more important to me and more of a super urgent goal, so to speak, bigger. And then the goals that were not as urgent but still things that I want to accomplish, I made them like regular or smaller size. And the reason why I put emphasis on certain pictures is because I want myself to always look at those and remember, like, this is a really big goal of yours. So if you can't or you don't feel like you can accomplish everything you have here, really focus on these right now and focus on the rest of them as the year goes on and as things fall into place quicker. And so that's just a kind of like a pro tip to really customize and personalize your vision board. This is by no means a Fonto tutorial, so if you do not know how to use this app, I will link some videos in the description box below. So you'll see here that I'm adding some text to my vision board just because these are things that are also emphasized on this vision board that I want to make sure that I'm reading as well as looking at, just because I feel like if you're reading something and you're also imaging it, it just doubles and amplifies the manifestation power and your willpower toward completing the goal. So you see me customizing the text of the words just because I feel like the plain white words did not go with the aesthetic of what my vision board looked like. So that adds an extra layer of pizzazz and an extra layer of personalization. Alright, so now you have everything on your vision board just how you like it. You're going to click the little download little button in the right hand bottom corner and save the image to your camera roll as a PNG or a picture, whichever one you choose. And then you're going to go over to your camera roll, look at your picture, make sure everything's saved the right way, and make sure the dimensions are just like you like it. So as you're looking at your image that you just saved and you see that the dimensions and everything is to the point that you desire, the next step that you're going to take is going back to Fonto. So this part is totally optional, but I'm pretty extra, so I wanted to do this to add a little bit of a finishing touch onto the vision board. Those little 3 lines in the bottom left hand corner that we clicked earlier to add images, we're going to go back there and click it to add an item. If your vision board happens to not be a square, there are a few shape options for you to choose from, but obviously because my vision board is a square, I chose the square. And so I uploaded it, and on the little scale you can customize the size of it, and this is something that will make it be on just the borders and the edges, and it just makes it look so much more seamless. And so now I'm customizing that and fixing it up the way that I like it. So now that the border is customized perfectly to my vision board, I changed the color from red to pink because the red was a little bit too brassy and it clashed with my vision board. And as y'all can see, a lot of the stuff is light pink and baby pink, so this light baby pink went perfectly with the theme, and I think it looks so good and it looks so beautiful, and I'm so pleased with the results. I was being a little bit extra in doing a bit of extra customization, but my vision board is finally finished and perfect, and I saved it to my camera roll, and these are the results. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I really hope that this helped you and inspired you to get on your 2021 goals. You're going to smash them all. I love you all, and thank you for watching. Bye!